Hi, I'm gonna share with you a nightmare we have with this fridge. Come back from a trip and found that the whole floor is full of waters. The fridge is a very old fridge, about more than 10 years old. What we discover is apparently the water tubes, the water inlet on the back of the fridge is broken. Um, well, let's replace it. It's actually not that difficult. So let's unplug the fridge, remove the lower panel, just a few screws. Fortunately, LG used the same screw everywhere, so you don't have to worry about uh, which screw go to where. So just replace the lower panel. This also gives you opportunity to clean the compressor. And now after you loosen the lower panel, that gives you a chance to lose the white tubes. So the tubes that we're going to change today is the white tube. This is the water inlet. The water is coming from the water supply going to the fridge, and that will be going to your ice maker as well as going into your water filters. So all you have to do is just loosen some of the holder in the back. Now you see the crack in here. This is like a silent killer because it cracked by itself, I guess by age. But replacing is not that difficult. All these tubes are widely available on, on Amazon and eBay, everywhere else. So once you loosen this, you push up. The crew is push the thing upward, the white cover, like using the two fingers, push, and now it pop out, and that will let you loosen the tubes. And the tube is basically sitting on that piece of styrofoam, and that styrofoam connected it to the inside of the fridge. So how to remove it? Well, first you remove the water filters. Be careful, there could be waters in the water filters. By the way, you're supposed to change the water filters, I believe, every 6 months. After you take the water filters out, you just one screw again. Just remove the screw. This will help allow you to loosen the water filters holders. So once the water filters come out, once the screw loosen, then what you do is you remove the back side of the where the light bulb is. That will allow you to loosen the covers. Once again, there are two screws in the back, and once you loosen it, then the water filters holders will be able to pop out. To pop out water filters, all you have to do is actually push it forward so it will loosen out. And now you see the tubes that's from the back connect into the water filters. So to remove this, you actually press down on the connector. These are basically plug and play. Once you press down the connector, the tubes will come out. And now you insert the new tubes from the back. I will on the description below. I will share with you the item ID for this tube, so you can order a replacement. Once you fish the tubes inside, then it's just a reverse engineering. You connect it back. Once again, you just push it in. There's no glue, no screw, and then you push this filter holder back in. So into that holder, that there's a tab, and then you put the screw back to secure it. And don't forget to secure the back of the light fixture as well. So the two screw will go back on the left and right, and then you put the cover back. And now we come to the back. So now we have to secure the tubes to the holders. You just loosen this white tab and then place the new tubes in there. Only have to change one tubes this time. The other tubes is going down into the pump, going down to the bottoms of the fridge, and it pumps the waters to the ice maker through the blue tubes. So if that tubes fail, then it will be doing the same thing again, but just replace the other tubes. Some people prefer to change all the tubes at the same time, but then it's like it's not broken, then why bother? So you just have to adjust the tube so that it's in the right position. And in here again, once you position it, you pull the white cover down so that it clip on to the back of the fridge. And then after this unit is secure, you still need to adjust the tube because the tubes is probably there will be some slack. So you loosen the white tab on the like there are two tabs along the back of the fridge. So just loosen it so that it looks nicer, flush with the back of the fridge, and that's it. Hopefully this will keep the life of the fridge for a longer time. Avoid a couple of $1,000 now costing to replace a fridge like this. The tubes cost about, I think, $10 to $20. So it's very economical, very easy fix. Apparently, I think it's due to the age of the plastic, it will fail. So once again, the LG fridge continue to serve us. So hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe and like.